Hello loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back now. Back now, and yeah, I know last video was a little bit intense, but today's video is it's different because there's no makeup involved in this and that. So basically, as I did mention in my last video, I'm gonna transform this room into my room because if you didn't know, my sister doesn't live here anymore. She lives out in college. So yeah, so I'm able to redecorate the room. So when they told me I can redecorate, I took advantage of that. So I'm gonna show you a haul of the things I've gotten right now. Of course, there's more things coming, like the bed frame is coming next week. I'm gonna buy a sofa. I needed my nightstand. But these are the things I just got. So let's get started. This is gonna be a home haul, but I also want to show you some things I got. So I did buy some things like fashion related. I bought this. I like sweaters like this right now for fall, so I bought this one in yellow. Just a little oversized sweater. And this one, I don't know how to explain it. It's not a sweater, it's more like a dress up, and I really enjoyed it. And the material is like wetsuit, but it's not. It's weird. Nordstrom Rack, I got this Adidas shoes, which are so pretty. Look at them, look at them. And from Ross, I found this Fila shoes, which look so good, and they were $20. $20. Then I went to, it's not white one, Bath and Body Works, and I got this fragrance Mist and Lovely Dreamer. It smells so nice, but I also love the packaging. It's so hard to explain. Like, it's sweet, but it's floral, but it's everything. And then I got a hand cream. Yes, with this weather, our hands need to stay hydrated. Yep. And it's in the flavor, smell, Japanese cherry blossom, which is one of my favorites from them. So now I'm gonna show you all the home related. As I already told you, I'm gonna redecorate my room. It's gonna be very, very different. The closet, everything. There's not gonna be a purple wall behind me. It's gonna look good. So let's get started. So I bought from Homegoods. Yeah, Homegoods, IKEA. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and Ross. I got a thing from Ross. So the thing I got from Ross is this little pillow, a round pillow with some polka dots, not polka dots. I don't know how to explain it. That's why I'm so bad at hauls, because I never know how to explain. But I got this for my bed decorations at HomeGoods. I think it's the place I spent most my money on, and it was only on pillows. I got this because I want to. So my vision for my room is boho chic kind of thing, and I'm going with white cream and white cream. I'm going with 3 colors. It's white, cream, and gray. So I got this because it has cream and it's got silver, but I would consider it gray, and it's very, very pretty. I got this at HomeGoods, and it was $24.99. Seriously, do the math. It's gonna be expensive. Next thing is this one, and this is my favorite. I also got this at HomeGoods, and it's from It's from Vince Camuto, Mexican here, and it's so pretty. Look at it. It has some fringe kind of thing, and I think this one was $19.99. But I think they lowered the price. price because I saw the exact same one but in blue, and it said it was $29.99, but this one didn't have a price, and they went and looked for it and they're like, oh, it's $19.99. I'm like, okay, go take it before you know it's $29.99. From also Homegoods, I got this one. This one is also very pretty. As you can see, I'm going with the boho kind of thing and fringe things. Yeah, and this one was $24.99. Throw pillows are expensive. I was like, damn, my shoes were not as expensive as this. And this from the brand India. I think it's the brand India, or it comes from India. Yeah, but it's very pretty. I really like this because it has the white, the cream, and the gray. Yay! Then I couldn't be more of a millennium without my fluffy pillow. I always said that I wasn't gonna get it when I knew I was gonna redecorate my room. I was like, I don't want it, I don't want it. And I got one. This one is very pretty because the ones I've seen are like cheap looking, but also this one was $19.99. It was expensive. But I got it and I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. Then I needed, well, my mom told me to buy pillows. So I got pillows. This is not very exciting. I also got this at Homegoods. They're soft. They're soft. I don't know what this should feel like. And this ones I believe were $19.99. They're expensive as well for pillows. Oh damn. I think they were $19.99, and I know, yeah, $19.99, and they always sell this ones. You just gotta have luck with Homegoods. Last thing. Then I got this. This is a throw blanket. This is gonna go at the feet of my bed because my bed is gonna be white and Malke is gonna be a big problem. So I thought I was gonna buy one of this, and it looks like this one kind of. Yeah, it kind of looks the same. So I decided to go with this one. It's very pretty, and when Malke wants to get in my bed, she can go on top of this. My $14.99 throw blanket. I'm telling you, I'm poor. Okay, so I got this thing that my closet doesn't look pretty because the hangers don't match. They're all different color. And I remember seeing Jaclyn Hill's closet tour, and she had all of them the same, like the same black velvet hangers, and I was like, I want it. So the first time I went to Homegoods, I found one, and it's this box with 50 hangers, and it's $19.99. Compare at $30, so $10 less, but they come with 50, and I bought those. Then today I also went back to Homegoods, a different Homegoods, and they also had it the same, so I've got another hangers. Now I got 100, but no, there's more. I went and exchanged some hangers I bought because they were like for skirts and things like that, but I thought they were for pants, but I was wrong. So I went back, and then I was like, you know what, I need more hangers, and I bought this 35-piece hangers. So I got 135 hangers, and I think that's not enough. I think I need to go back and get more, but I'll let you know. And this one's, the boxes were $19.99. I got it from Homegoods, and this ones are, I think, $14.99. No, 16. 16. What you do? So this ones are $16.99. They are 35. I think that's a good deal for velvet hanger. Let's go. So lastly is IKEA. I love IKEA, but I hate IKEA today. I had to went and return something because it was the duvet for my bed. I look playing right now. So it's a duvet, and I didn't like it. My mom said it looked like it didn't look pretty. So I went and exchanged it, and I was standing there 30 minutes. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. From IKEA, I got this boring things. What are you called? I don't know what's this. This for your bed. I think it's the, so you buy this and then you buy a, I think this is the comforter. Yes, this is the comforter. I got this one. Yeah. Nothing fun about this, but I got this because I got a duvet cover for it. But then I got this. Why do I do not know the name of this? Then I got some sheets for my bed. They're gray because I'm going with the cream, white, gray kind of vibe, and I didn't want white because Malika sleeps with me and that's gonna be an issue. And you know what, that when it's that time of the month that we don't gotta trust ourselves. So I got them gray. But bought this trash can. I don't know why. I just saw it was like 99 cents. I was like, oh, maybe for underneath, but now it looks ugly, so I'm not gonna return it because I'm not gonna do that mistake ever again. And then I got this, which is a duvet cover, and it's basically, I'm gonna play, I don't know if you can see, but it has like little detail. I'm gonna do a room tour when everything's ready, but for now I'm just gonna show you like this, and this is what I got. Yeah. Another thing I got from IKEA was this little pillow. I only bought this thing. The pillow inside already had, so I just bought this. I think this was like $14.89. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope that's it. Yeah, that's it for this haul. I'm very excited to show you when my room is done. I think I'm gonna vlog, so it's gonna be on my vlog channel. So I'm gonna vlog the transformation because I'm gonna wait like a month to bring in more stuff because right now I need to save money to buy again. So yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when I upload a video. And also follow me on my other social medias, which I always leave down here. Wow, I have not said that in a long time. And you can also follow me on my vlog channel, which is MTZBeauty Vlogs. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!